So, all decisions taken, all questions answered, and finally you are on the way to start building your starter kit to get started in newborn photography. When I mean by starter kit, it means some of the essential items that you need to have in order to get started. Now, you can go on getting started having a huge collection of props, lights, accessory, which is definitely at some point you would need to have. But let's see what are the bare minimum item that you would definitely need to get started. First, definitely your photography equipment or the camera. Now, it may sound really cliche or it may sound really absurd when somebody tells that you need to have the right camera for to be a photographer, but there is a difference between just owning a DSLR and having the right photography equipment. When I say right photography equipment, it means a full frame camera. It could be a mirrorless or a DSLR camera, and the right lenses. The appropriate lens that you would need to have is definitely a 24-70 lens for indoor shoots. Definitely a prime lens, which is 50 mm, 30 mm, and 80 mm. You may not have all of them, but at least you may consider having at least one or two of them for those close-up sharp shots with an aperture of 1.8 or 1.2. If you still keep on want to shooting outdoor, then you would definitely need to have a 70-100 lens. Lighting. Now, all the photos that you see in the internet of newborn babies with the soft lighting, that is done by the continuous or flash soft lights. For beautiful newborn baby photographs, the light has to be soft as well as bright enough. Globally, people use Einstein PLM as a continuous source of soft light. Now, in your country, if Einstein PLM is not available, you can use Godox soft lights. And some people also use the combination of an umbrella soft box and flashlights, which is a very good option if you want to keep on traveling. Now, you need a couple of accessories to convert a flashlight into a proper studio strobe, but it's what these accessories are not very expensive, very easily available, and you can very easily set up these lights. We will see how to set up the newborn lights in our lighting chapter. I will also provide the links to some of these lights so that you can start buying them and build your collection. Obviously, you will need the proper stand and backdrops, a bean bag, for not the normal bean bag in which we sit on the couch, but the newborn intended for newborn photography. If you do not have a bean bag, you can also use a table, a foldable table. Some people use dog and cat beds, which are also very good, but professionals, they prefer using the proper newborn posing bean bag along with its stand. Now, still there are many photographers who do not own any lighting equipment and they solely depend on natural light, and they still produce amazing, beautiful photos. Now, there is no harm in using natural light. It gives amazing results. The only thing is that it is very difficult to control it. Sometimes you may need to have the subject, your baby, little bit inside or within your props, and the natural light may not be sufficient. Or sometimes the natural light may be too harsh and it may not be very easy to control it. Still, nevertheless, if you have white curtains and if you have a room which is really airy, which is really in which you get natural sunlight, then definitely you can use it till you get your proper lighting gears.